Having a garden on campus and some of our broader goals, it's about community. It's about building relationships outside of the classroom so that students can get to know each other from so many different majors and so many different areas and interests of what they are typically in during their academic time on campus.
So 2 semesters ago, me and a couple other of my classmates decided that we wanted to do like a service project for our class. And so we kind of deliberated a little bit, and then we decided that we want to do a pollinator garden. Pollinators are just so important to the foundation of life, basically, biodiversity.
The impact of sustainability that the garden brings to campus is it's not just sustainability here on this campus for right now, it's how the students are going to interact in their environments in the future too. So for example, we have an academic class that they're planting pollinator plants because we want to try to attract more pollinators into the garden. I can almost guarantee you that those students are going to leave the University of Oklahoma and they are going to recognize pollinator plants. They're going to put them in their yards. And we are all aware, so many of us are aware of the importance of bees, for example, in our food chain and how they impact all life. And though our students are going to be able to influence that now with their actions and with the knowledge that they're taking with them.
We're working on our garden project for our environmental studies learning community class. We're trying to plant a garden with native plants that'll be good for pollinators to try and attract pollinators to the garden. We're also going to put some signs up, do some educational stuff, tell people like what's going on here. But yeah, just planting. We're going to be planting some native seeds right here, and hopefully throughout the summer it'll grow into a nice and beautiful pollinator garden, and future classes and future seasons will also get to work on it and kind of expand it out.